we're extending the asphalt off of his house here in the existing driveway. So it's pretty unlevel right now. Take a lot of this grass out of here and then bring in a good bit of stone to help level everything around. Got a clean edge up against the asphalt, so that way he can get his bucket in there and just start pulling the grass back. So right now we marked everything out. We cut everything about 2 inches wider than the stone that's going to be in there, just to have a clean edge. Other than that, just getting the grass ripped out here is just about done. A little bit more to go. Just got it all cut out. Go get some stone. Alright, we just got our second load.
Guys, want to let me get it in there and then I'll work it.
We still got all the grade coming down this way. for water, and it's all going down this way, but it's built up enough where it's not going to be on too much of a tilt. So we'll let him fill some of it up, and then we'll do some hand work. Alright, we just got all the stone laid. Got it all compacted. Just about ready for blacktop. Alright, now we're filling up the roller with water to keep it from sticking to the asphalt. And then we got the plate tamp loaded up with water over here. This right here is going to be our shut-off line. Because our width of the paver can only go this far wide. If it goes too small of an area, we'll have to do this piece here by hand. And then from here up, we're going to use the paver. Up along the house here, we'll stay like an inch or two off with the paver, and just throw a couple shovels in between the house where the paver can't get to. And then tamp all that in. The blacktop should be pretty hot today. Just waiting on asphalt now. Alright, blacktop's here. Got everything sprayed down.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Pretty good. We got the first roll put onto it. Turned out pretty nice. Blacktop was super hot today. Gonna give it a little bit to set up. All right, just about done. I'm gonna take the vibratory plate tamp and get some of these subtle lines out of it. Other than that, turned out pretty nice. Looks pretty good. All right, just got finished up. Turned out pretty nice. We're gonna tar the seam here at the existing asphalt. Other than that, that'll be it. It's pretty good. Just got done. Turned out pretty nice. See you guys in the next one.